Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I am going to start a line graph data interpretation. Here, I am going to start line graph data interpretation. First of all, we need to read the information carefully and then we need to go for the questions. Here, if you observe carefully, whatever the information which is provided for this data interpretation, all are in terms of lines. Whereas for the previous sessions, all the information which is provided in terms of bars. But for this one, each and every information which is provided in the graph, that is in terms of lines. All the lines, all the values in the graph that are to be lined together in order to form a line graph. That is the difference between bar graph and line graph. Okay. First of all, in this session, what is the information which is provided in the question? You need to read that one first and then you need to go for the questions. Look at the information carefully. Here, income of three companies over the years. Here the information is about income. Income that is given in terms of lakhs. Income is given in terms of lakhs of three different companies over the years from 2001 to 2006. That is 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005 and 2006. Total 6 years are there. 6 years, three different companies. The companies are A, B and C. In three different companies, for three different companies and in 6 different years, income values are given. Income values are given and those income values are in terms of lakhs. In terms of lakhs. Suppose for example, here you can able to see in the graph as 3. 3 is nothing but 3 lakhs. Here you can able to see 2.75. 2.75 lakhs, which is nothing but 2 lakh 75,000. And next 1.5. 1.5 lakhs is nothing but 1 lakh 50,000. 1 lakh 50,000. That is the meaning of that information. Okay. And one more formula is also provided in this graph. That is profit percentage is equal to income minus expenditure divided by expenditure into 100. That is a formula for profit percentage. How can you calculate profit percentage? By using income and expenditure. Here income values are given. If you know the expenditure or else profit percentage, it is very easy to calculate the third variable. Profit percentage is nothing but income minus expenditure divided by expenditure into 100 percentage. And always remember, profit percentage or else loss percentage always calculate over expenditure. Over expenditure, right? So always we need to consider whenever we are calculating profit percentage or else loss percentage, by default expenditure is 100 percentage. Expenditure is 100 percentage. Okay, keep it in mind. These are the few important techniques that you need to keep it in mind before going to the problems. First, information, read the information carefully, and then once you understand the information, you need to take this expenditure as 100 percentage by default for each and every question, not for single question. For each and every question, by default expenditure is 100 percentage. This is somewhat related to profit and loss topic in aptitude. Profit percentage is nothing but selling price minus cost price divided by cost price. This is a way of solving the profit percentage. How we are going to calculate profit percentage? Here income will acting as selling price and expenditure will be acting as cost price. There also always we are considering cost price as 100, but in place of cost price we are having expenditure. Therefore expenditure is 100 percentage. Now look at the first question. Here the first question is, if the expenditure of company C, expenditure of company C, here we are talking about company C, that is triangle shape. you need to be very much cautious about while looking at the numbers. Why? Because these values, these are looking like very small icons, so you need to be very much cautious about these icons. This is a square and this is a triangle and this is rhombus shape. Okay, you need to be very much cautious about what is which one is which company. Okay, here we are talking about company C in the year 2003 was 1.75 lakhs. Expenditure 2003 and company C. Company C is triangle, that is income value 2.5 lakhs. Income value. Company C income value in 2003 which is 2.5 lakhs. 2.5 lakhs. Whereas coming to the expenditure value which is given as 1.75 lakhs. 1.75 lakhs. That is the given information. Now the question what is asking is what was its profit percentage in that year? It is very simple. See, profit percentage. Just now we think that we had a formula that profit percentage is nothing but what? Income minus expenditure divided by expenditure. So here the income value is how much? 2.5 lakh, which is nothing but 2,50,000. 2,50,000 minus 1.75 lakhs, which is nothing but 1,75,000. 1,75,000 divided by expenditure. Divided by expenditure. What is the expenditure value? Again 1.75 lakhs, that is 1,75,000. Right? Now into 100 is the common thing. Whenever you are calculating percentage, into 100 is a common thing. What is the difference between these two? Here it is 25 plus 50, that is 75,000. 75,000 into 100 divided by 1,75,000. Here 3 zeros gets cancelled, and after that you can cancel with 25 table. 25 3 times, 25 7 times. So the required answer is 300 divided by 7 percentage. Here in the brackets, there is one information related to the exact value. Rounded off to 2 digits after the decimal point. Here you need to calculate the value up to 2 digits after the decimal point. Here you can cancel with 7 table now. 7 4s are 28, and next you will be left over with 2. 20 means 7 2s are 14. Still you left over with, after keeping decimal point, it is 6. 60 means 8 times 7 8s are 56. Again 40 means that is 7 5s. Approximately it is around 42.86 percentage, right? 42.86 percentage. Among the options, if you look at the options carefully, 42.86. If you go for third digit also, if you go for third digit, then it will be around 42.86. So option B is the right answer for this question. Option B. Okay. Second question. Look at the question. What is the average income of company A over the years? Here, very easy question. What is meant by average? As we all know that average is equal to sum of observations. Average is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. Sum of observations divided by number of observations. Here, sum of observations is nothing but what is the total income of company A. Total income of company A. That is the sum of observations. Whereas coming to number of observations is nothing but number of years we are taking into consider. That is these are the values that we need to take care of, that average. Okay. Now, before going to the direct calculation of average, what we'll do is first we'll calculate the total income of company A for each and every year. Write down each and every year company A value. Company A, first of all, I am just rounding off the values. Company A is rhombus shape. In 2001, the value 2.75, 2002 that is 3, see 3, and next 2003 that is 3.5, and then it is 3 again, and then it is no, here it is decreases again 2.5, and after that it is increases 3.25. Now I will write down all the values. First 2,75,000, 2,75,000, and the second value 3 lakhs, second value 3 lakhs, third value 3,50,000, 3,50,000, fourth value again 3 lakhs, fourth value again 3 lakhs, fifth value 2,50,000, 2,50,000, and last value 3.25 lakhs, which is nothing but 3,25,000, 3,25,000. Here if you observe carefully, here it is 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 6 lakhs. Again these two combinedly 6 lakhs, 6 plus 6, 12 lakhs. This is all together 12 lakhs. And then 25,000, if you add 25,000 to this, it will be 3 lakhs. 3, 3, 6. Again total all together 6, 6, 6. 18 lakhs. Total all together it is 18 lakhs. Therefore, the required average is equal to total income of company A over the 6 years, that is 18 lakhs, sum of all the values, which is equal to 18 lakhs, divided by number of years. Number of years that we are taken is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 years. Therefore, the required average is, you can cancel with 6 table, that is 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs is your answer. The required average is equal to 3 lakhs. Once check it out the options, which option satisfies the answer. Here if you observe carefully, you can directly eliminate option A and option C. And if you observe carefully, option B and D, here 1 lakh is lakhs is nothing but you will be having 5 zeros. If you observe carefully, here you will be having 6 zeros. So you have to be very much careful about number of zeros at the end. You can eliminate option B as well. Therefore, your required answer is 3 lakhs. Option D is the right answer for this question. Here 3 lakhs is the right answer. Third question. What is the approximate percent increase in income of company B in the year 2006 from the previous year? Here we are talking about 2006 as comparing with previous year 2005. 2005, 2006. And we are talking about company B. We are talking about company B. Company B 2005 value. Company B is nothing but square shape, right? Square shape. Here the value is 3 lakhs. Here the value is 3.5 lakhs. 3.5 lakhs. Here it is 3 lakhs and it is 3.5 lakhs. Okay. Here we need to calculate approximate percentage increment. Here we need to calculate approximate percentage increment. That is equal to, basically how can we calculate percentage increment? That is difference between those two values divided by less value. Difference between those two values divided by less value into 100. Into 100 is a common point, right? So first take the difference between those two. 3 lakhs and 3.5 lakhs. That is nothing but 3 lakh 50,000. So the difference is 50,000 divided by less value, which is 3 lakhs. Write down in the denominator as 3 lakhs into 100. Into 100 percentage. 4 zeros cancel. And next 5 ones are 5 6 1/6 of 100, 1/6 of 100, which is nothing but here it is 16 2 by 3 percentage. 1/6 16 16 6 are 96, and still you left over with 4. 4 by 6 is nothing but 2 by 3. 16 2 by 3 percentage. Here, as we are calculating the approximate percentage, which is close to 17 percentage, approximately 17 percentage according to the options. 17 percentage is the right answer for this question. Option C. See the next question. If the profit percentage of company A in the year 2002, here we are talking about 2002 company A profit given as 20 percentage, profit percentage 20 percentage. Here 2002 company A is rhombus shape, which is at this one, this is 3 lakhs, right? So income is given as 3 lakhs. Income is given as 3 lakhs in 2002. Now, according to the concept, always consider expenditure is 100 percentage. Always consider expenditure is 100 percentage. Expenditure is 100 percentage, profit is 20 percentage. Therefore, obviously, income is equal to 120 percentage. Income is equal to how much? 120 percentage. This 120 percentage value, which is given as 3 lakhs in the graph, that is 3 lakhs. 120 percentage is equal to 3 lakhs. Now we need to calculate what was its expenditure in that year. Here we need to calculate the expenditure of company A in the year 2002. Expenditure is always how much percentage? 100 percentage. 100 percentage is equal to, what is the answer? 120 percentage is equal to 3 lakhs. Then 100 percentage is equal to, what is the answer? Now you can do the cross multiplication over there. 3 lakhs into 100 divided by 120. Here 0 0 gets cancelled. Here 3 4s are 3 10,000s. And next 4 table, 4 25s and 2 more zeros. Here 2500 into 100, which is equal to 2,50,000, which is equal to how much? 2,50,000. Therefore, the required expenditure of company A in the year 2002, that is 2,50,000. If you look at the options, option A is the right answer for this question. Option A. Last question in this session. See here. The percentage increase or decrease in income of company C. Here we are talking about whatever the value, percentage increment value or percentage decrement value for company C. Income for company C. Company C was highest for which year? Here, whenever we are calculating percentage increment or decrement value, percentage increment or decrement value, it always starts from second year onwards. Why? Because always we need to compare with the previous year value, right? So, percentage increment or decrement is nothing but difference by previous year value. That is the percentage increment or decrement value. And into 100 is a common point. That is the reason why there is no requirement of writing that into 100. So first one is 2002, and next one is 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. These five values we need to calculate. Why? Because here we have none of this option is here. Even though 2005 is not given, but you need to calculate definitely, damn sure. Okay. Now here we are talking about company C. Company C is triangle shape. Once I will round off the values in each and every year. Here 2001, that is 3, and next 2, and next 2.5, and next 3.25, and next 3.5, and next it is 3. These are the values. So in 2002, the value is decreases, right? How much decreases? 1. Difference is 1 as comparing with previous year. 3 minus 2, 1, divided by previous year value, which is 3. 1 by 3. 2002 is done. 2003, difference between these two, previous year and this year, 0.5, divided by previous year value, that is 2. And next one, 2004. First I will write all the values and then we'll solve the question. Here 2.5 and 3.25, which is nothing but 0.75. 0.75 divided by previous year value, that is 2.5. And next one, here it is difference is 0.25 divided by previous year value 3.25 in the year 2005. And last one, it is decreases. Here the difference is 0.5, 3.5 and 3, difference is 0.5 divided by previous year value 3.5. Okay. Now among all these fractions, which one is the highest? Which one is the highest? That is your answer. Here if you observe carefully, this is 1 by 3 value, and it is or else if you do one thing, if you observe carefully, here the units numerator value 0.5, here the numerator value 0.5, both are equal. In 2003 and 2006, numerator values are equal. Now compare the denominator values. If denominator value is less with constant numerator, then that particular value is if denominator is less with constant numerator, then that particular value is highest. In 2003 and 2006, denominator is highest for 2006, therefore this is the lowest value. You can eliminate 2006. 2006 eliminated. This is the highest. And next one, similarly, here you can multiply this value with 4. Here also you can multiply with 4. Why? Because here you can multiply with 2. Here you can multiply with 2. Numerator and denominator. So that it will be 0.5 into 2. That is 1. 1 by 4. And coming to this case, 0.25 into 4, that is 1. Divided by, here it is 3 4 are 12 plus 1, 13. 1 by 13. So if you compare these three values, 2002, 2003 and 2005, numerator values are same, 1 1 1. Compare the denominator values. Denominator is less for first one, so you can eliminate 2003 and also 2005. These values are eliminated. 2003 eliminated, 2005 also eliminated. Therefore your answer is either 2002 or else 2004. Now we can solve this question. See, here we can write down this value as 75 divided by 100, and in the denominator 25 by 10. By 10 goes to numerator. Here 0 gets cancelled. 25 ones are 25 3 times. Now this fraction in 2004, which is 3 by 10. Whereas coming to this one is 1 by 3. Now you can multiply numerator and denominator with 3. So that it will be 3 by 9. It will be 3 by 9. Now both numerator values are equal in 2002 and 2004. Compare the denominators. Here the denominator is less for 2002. Therefore 2002 is the highest value. Eliminate 2004 also. Finally you will be left over with only one option, that is 2002. 2002 percentage increment or decrement value for company C. That is the highest value, 2002. Option A is the right answer for this question. In this way, you need to solve the questions related to profit percentage. Remember, always expenditure is 100 percentage whenever we are solving the problems based on income, expenditure and profit. Okay, I hope you understand each and every problem in this session. Thank you. Thanks for watching.